Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an epic smartphone showdown. We've got four contenders battling for your attention: the gaming beast RedMagic 11 Air, the sleek Realme P4 Pro, the enigmatic Nothing Phone 4B, and the powerful Honor GT. Who will reign supreme? When it comes to screen real estate, most of these phones offer a generous canvas. The RedMagic and Realme really maximize your viewing pleasure with minimal bezels, perfect for immersive content. The Nothing phone gives a solid experience too, but the Honor GT is the most compact of the bunch. Here, the Realme P4 Pro truly shines, offering incredible sharpness and detail for all your content. Honor and RedMagic also deliver a very crisp visual experience. The Nothing phone, while still good, falls a bit behind in pixel density. All boast vibrant AMOLED screens. RedMagic and Realme deliver super smooth visuals, but Realme's insane peak brightness makes it the outdoor champion. For raw power, the RedMagic 11 Air and Honor GT are in a league of their own, packing top-tier chipsets that handle anything you throw at them. The Realme is a solid performer for everyday tasks, while the Nothing phone is more geared towards efficiency and lighter use. The RedMagic and Honor GT boast powerful custom core configurations designed for extreme performance and effortless multitasking. The Realme offers a balanced experience for daily use, while the Nothing phone focuses on smooth, efficient operation for typical smartphone activities without breaking a sweat. For gaming and graphics, the RedMagic 11 Air takes the crown with its cutting-edge Adreno GPU, delivering unparalleled visual fidelity. The Honor GT is right there with it. The Nothing phone surprisingly holds its own, while the Realme offers decent performance for casual gaming and media consumption. Benchmark numbers confirm the RedMagic 11 Air is an absolute powerhouse, smashing records across the board. The Honor GT follows with seriously impressive scores, proving its flagship status. Meanwhile, the Realme and Nothing phone deliver respectable performance for their segments, handling daily tasks and most apps smoothly. In the camera department, all contenders pack a strong 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, ensuring sharp, steady shots. RedMagic, Realme, and Honor feature larger main sensors, capturing more light for better detail, especially in challenging conditions. However, the Honor GT truly stands out with its higher-resolution ultra-wide lens and autofocus, giving you more versatility and sharper wide-angle shots. The Nothing phone's main sensor is a bit smaller, but still performs admirably for everyday photography, offering dependable results for social media and casual snaps. Overall, Honor takes the lead for sheer photographic flexibility. For video creators, the RedMagic 11 Air is the clear winner, offering stunning 8K recording and smoother 4K at higher frame rates. Realme and Honor provide excellent stable 4K footage. The Nothing phone delivers decent video, but lacks optical stabilization for ultimate smoothness. Nothing phone truly impresses with its advanced computational photography, like True Lens Engine and Ultra XDR, for exceptional image quality. RedMagic adds a special anti-glare layer. Realme and Honor offer standard features, but Nothing's software magic gives it an edge in processing. For selfies, the Realme P4 Pro is the clear winner with its super high-resolution sensor, capturing incredible detail for those perfect self-portraits. The RedMagic offers a unique under-display camera for an uninterrupted screen, though sometimes with a slight trade-off in image quality. Nothing and Honor delivers solid, dependable 16-megapixel selfies that are great for everyday use and video calls, ensuring you always look good. Battery life is where the RedMagic and Realme truly dominate, packing colossal capacities that will easily get you through even the most demanding days, and then some. The Nothing phone and Honor GT offer respectable capacities for solid all-day usage, but they simply can't compete with the endurance kings. For value, the Realme P4 Pro is unbeatable. The Nothing phone, Honor GT, and RedMagic sit in a higher bracket, reflecting their premium features.